Mikey.
Hey, Pete.
I need a favor, man. You know that little hottie, Shannon, I was with last Friday?
I thought her name was Susie.
No, man, Susie was the weekend before, man. Anyway, Shannon wants to take me to Vegas this weekend.
And?
And I have a date with Shelly.
Well?
Yeah, I just met her online.
We'll postpone the date and go to Vegas, man.
Dude, no, you don't understand. She's so hot.
Oh. Sarah?
Shelly, man. Now, Sarah was last month.
I thought she was Susie.
Dude, pay attention, man.
Have you ever dated anybody that had a name that didn't start with S?
Can you help me or what?
What do you want me to do?
I want you to be me and then take Shelly on a date.
Dude, you're Latino. I'm white. I think she's gonna notice.
No worries, man. She's never seen me before. We only chatted online.
So she hasn't seen your profile, Pete?
Nope. I don't use a profile picture. I use a symbol.
A symbol?
Yeah. You know the artist formerly known as Prince?
You know he changed his name back to Prince, right?
Are you gonna help me or not?
Okay, but you know why? I mean, like, when Samantha sees me, she's just gonna freaking know it's not you. Or Shelly, whatever her name is.
It's Shelly, man.
Okay. Now look, it's not like you can come back from Vegas with one girl and expect to hook up with another one because you're gonna be a perfect stranger to her. You know, I'm gonna be Pete and you're gonna be the player formerly known as Pete.
Yeah, man, but I can still chat with her online and then nobody else will know besides she's so hot.
Man, you're not making any sense.
You don't understand, man. You don't get it. Ever since I was 18 years old, I've been going out with 2 girls every weekend. If I don't go out with both of them this weekend, then the streak is broken, man. I can't have that happen.
So you want me to just go out as you so you can, you know, go out with Cheryl?
Exactly. It's Shelly!
Man, you just want to do this weekend so you can go out with 2 girls. Something's wrong with you, man.
Dude, come on, man. I'll pay you.
Hey,
$500.
$500?
You got it, man. I need this, bro.
Okay.
So you help me out?
Yeah.
Sweet.
She's
bro.
hot, right? She's
Yeah.
hot,
She's
though.
like,
You're not lying about anything.